Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to check RAM speed in Windows 11. So firstly guys, you have to click on start and type CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now guys, in here you have to type one command line, WMIC memory chip get speed. So type this command line WMIC space memory chip space get space speed, then press enter. So guys, using these simple and easy steps you can check RAM speed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.